Today I am making beef Jhal Puli Pitha. It's very easy and delicious. Enjoy with your family. Cooked beef. Break with your hands. Done. Olive oil 2 teaspoon. Onion 1 cup. Chopped green chili 1 tablespoon. Stir and fry few seconds. Salt to taste. Turmeric powder 1/4 teaspoons. Cumin powder 1/4 teaspoons. Stir and mix. Add 1 boiled potato. Stir and fry. Add cooked beef. Mix well. Coriander leaves. Mix. Done. Transfer to the bowl. Let it cool. 1 cup of water. Salt. Flour 1 cup. Stir continuously. Flame off. Cover for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, make a smooth dough. Cover and rest for 10 to 15 minutes. After 10 minutes, divided the dough. Take 1 dough, make a flatbread. Roll up. Not to think or not to thin. Add 1 tablespoon beef. Make a pitha shape. All done. Deep fry. Fry 3 to 4 minutes, or until golden brown. Done. Ready to serve. Hope you enjoy. If you like my video, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.